Hey everybody, it's Lisa from Lisa Bug Fitness and Yoga, straight talk on knee replacement. And today I have a video for you on quad activation. This is really important to work on this in your prehab exercises, which is before you have knee replacement, just to get the quads nice and strong for what lies ahead, as well as after the surgery, because many times the quad will shut off right after the surgery, and sometimes it takes a while for the quad to wake back up and you to gain your strength back and activate the quads. The reason for this is generally the surgery itself. Some of the styles of surgery actually cut through the quadricep muscle to go into the internal incision. Also, because of the tourniquet that they place around your leg that squeezes the quad, that damages the quad. And also, when they take the patella or your kneecap and they invert it so that they can shave off the bone on the underside, that's going to really have some damaging effects to your quads. So for all of those reasons, we need to work on strengthening before and after total knee replacement. So here's some ideas for you. After surgery, you can also apply these before as well. The first one is just to be able to tighten the muscle with your leg extended fully straight. And it's very important after total knee replacement that you not go to bed with your knee bent or with a pillow under your knee, because then you're not going to be able to achieve total extension. In order to fire that quad properly, you want to get your extension to 0 if possible. So I'm going to come down onto the mat. And I am at 6 months post-op right now in left total knee replacement. I have nice extension of my left leg. So what we're going to do just to tighten the quad and activate it is you can look at your kneecap, make sure it's wiggling around and moving. That means the quad is relaxed with the leg in full extension. You can keep your fingertip on your kneecap if you'd like, and then you are going to tighten this muscle, which will slide your kneecap back toward you. So as the quad tightens, it pulls against the quadricep tendon, the patellar tendon that attaches to your tibia, and that kneecap is going to glide back. So you're just going to tighten that muscle and release. The next one we're going to do is called a short arc quad. And you'll need something to place underneath your knee. I'm using a foam roller here. You can also use a pillow or a rolled up towel. So we have a little bit of flexion in the leg, and we are going to contract the quad and try to pick the foot up off the floor and then bring it down. And a nice way to do this is to bring it up. Hold, 2, 3, and control down. Lift it up. Hold, 2, 3, and control down. Maybe do a couple sets of 10 of those. Right after surgery, this is going to be very painful. So even if you can get a couple reps done, that's great. You're working on your strengthening. So in addition to the short arc quad, it's a good idea to add a straight leg raise. So we'll straighten that leg. We'll lift it up off the foam roller. 3, 2, 1. Bring it down and then let the knee bend. Extend to straight. Lift it up. 3, 2, 1. Lower down and bend. Sometimes this is a little easier if you lean back, support yourself here, and extend. Pick it up. 3, 2, 1. Lower down and bend. So that's the short arc quad with the straight leg raise. Next, I'm going to come to my chair for the long arc quad. So that was a short range of motion working on that extension. Now we're going to bring it to more of a range of motion. So starting sitting on the chair with the knee bent about 90 degrees, or you can bring the foot back even further. Just extend all the way up. Hold 3, 2, 1. Control down. And this isn't a swing or a kick. It's a lift and squeeze. 3, 2, 1, and control down. You can also do the long arc quad with the straight leg raise. And then lower down and release. Once you get to where this is working for you, you can add a band, and you usually can get one of these TheraBands from your personal, or not your personal trainer, your physical therapist. If not, you can buy these online. So now we're going to go through that long arc quad and hold it here. 3, 2, 1, and control down. And you can do this with varying tightnesses of the band. So work on that extension here with the TheraBand. We can also do a straight leg raise with the TheraBand. And actually, this is one of my exercises for patellar tendonitis that I've developed after total knee replacement. So I'm going to keep the leg completely straight, contract the quad, lift up, 3, 2, 1, and control down. I'll give you that from a side angle. So make sure you've got something to hold on to. Tighten the quad muscle, lift up, hold 3, 2, 1, and control down. So those are some ways you can work strength of the quadricep and activation of the quadricep both before surgery in your prehab exercises, after your surgery as well. They're really important because the quadricep extends the leg, so you need that to occur when you're walking. The quad also stabilizes your leg as you stride through. And those of you that have had knee replacement know what I mean when I say the knee buckles. You'll be walking along and all of a sudden it just gives out on you. And you think, oh my gosh, what just happened? Without warning, the quad shuts off and buckles. So it's really important to work that quad so you can build your strength back up. And in the meantime, use your walking devices, a walker, a cane, crutches, whatever you might need just to kind of assist you along the way until you got the strength to walk unaided. All right, that's it for now. Leave me a message and let me know if there's other exercises that you'd like to share that have worked really well for you. Stay strong, knee warriors, and I'll see you next time. Take care.